Welcome back to my channel, my dear and lovely viewers. Welcome back again. I'll always remind you guys, if you are a new viewer, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, because you are lucky to be in this channel. That's the truth, because you'll be getting updates that you can hardly get for free. And what I'm about to drop now, I know a lot of you might say it's not real, or you might doubt it some way, but it's something that I experienced myself. I tried myself and it worked out for me once, even though after the ones I was not able to try it anymore. But I'll tell you the secret behind getting to use that. So let's just go. Let me show you what exactly I'm trying to say. Let me just show you a screenshot first, so that I will show you. It will serve as a proof to what I'm saying. It shouldn't just be as if I'm just bluffing. So let me just show you. I need to check. Yep, this is one of them. As you can see, this transaction, you can see 2 million ZAF. 2 million ZAF is equivalent of 3,006.182 BUSD. That's over 1.6 million, if I'm not mistaken. That's dollar is actually 600 plus now. You say 3 times 6, that's 18. That's over 1.8 million naira. And what if I tell you that what was debited is less than 300,000 naira? I know a lot of people will be like, no, this guy is just bluffing. He's just trying to get viewers or something. I know a lot of people will say a lot of things, but the truth is, when I run mine, I actually run 300,000 ZAF at first, just to give it a trial. When I run 300,000 ZAF, I was able to I was given 445 USDT. I actually used USDT. I was given 445 USDT, and my Dash account was debited 2,600 naira. Then I tried it again, just to be sure that am I dreaming? Then I got another 445 USDT, and I was debited 2,600 naira as well. I know a lot of people will be like, they don't believe this or something, but this is it. It's up to everyone. I know most of us, the reason why a lot of people are missing out on a lot of opportunities is because a lot of us always believe everything that looks good is fake, or it's scam. It is not always scam. Sometimes you just need to do your research, follow people that knows the right way. Once you follow those people, trust me, you will make a lot of money in this space. Cryptocurrency has been something that it has been helping a lot of youth that has opened their mind to opportunities, not those that call every opportunity scam. I will never ask you to do Ponzi. All this forsage something, I don't do it, because I know it's Ponzi. They are not here to stay for long. It's just something that you run within a short period of time and they will disappear. So that's why I will always tell you to go into something that you can invest in without taking much risk, that you don't have to expose yourself too much. So, but this one is something you should give a try. But the secret is that most of you that have run your cards before, like last week, if you try it might actually not work. But I will urge those, if you have those who are here to register or something, you can register on their behalf and help them do this. Once they register, all you need to do is they should fund their account. Anytime you are funding any account, please don't use third party. Don't use any third party to fund any Dash account, because the moment you fund it, they will lock your account. And the moment they lock your account, they've not been responding lately. The customer support has been very, 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 very unresponsive. They don't really respond much. So I don't think anyone wants to go through that stress of not getting response from that support team. So instead of that, even if you must use someone's own, send the money to the person's regular bank account. When you send money to the person's regular bank account, then you use the person's account to fund the person's Dash. It is very much safer like this. Forget, maybe you think it will take much time. The stress is better than the stress you face when they lock your account. That's the truth. So when you're trying it, you're using PAYBIS. Let me show you how to do that on PAYBIS. Go to your Chrome browser, or you can actually use Chrome, and you can use the app. Most times I use the app. And also, yes, that reminds me, there is one way to know if a particular currency is going on PAYBIS with any card. but see, though currently it's just Dash that is working, and it's for selected accounts, selected Dash accounts. So what I do is most times I come here, I scroll down. You can see here, you can see, wow, somebody just run Dash Zaf now. You can see this is the exact Zaf I'm telling you. You see? So what I will just do immediately right now, I'll go and try mine as well. Even though my card, I've used it before, so it has not been working. But let me just try it now so that it will practicalize it. So sorry, I clicked something else. So what you do is once you open PAYBIS, let's just give it a try. I hope it works. If it doesn't work, then you can just that's why I want everyone to always turn on their notification, because if you turn on notification, I know you'll be seeing this video immediately I drop it, because I will make sure I don't waste time before dropping this video. Immediately I'm done, I'll just drop it so that you can all participate immediately. I'll be using BUSD. So using BUSD now, what I'll do is I'll use Zaf. I'm buying 300. Let me just try with 300. That person bought 100,000, so let me use 100,000 as well. I always try to learn from what others are doing. You can see 100,000 Zaf is giving me 146, and I believe what they will debit from my account might not be more than 1,000 naira or thereabout. And you will see I'm getting 146 BUSD. That's over 70,000 or thereabout. So now continue. I hope it works. I would have shown you the proof live and direct now. I would have been happy, because then you see that yes, this is actually what I'm talking about. 333, that's 333 991. What have I done? Coming. But I input the right. Okay, sorry. I think I used 531031. 531031. Please don't forget to always turn on notification on my videos, so that you can always be the first set of people that will receive updates. So now what I'll do is I'll go to my Binance and copy my BUSD address. My Binance. My network is bad. It's wasting my time. BUSD. I'm using BEP20. Copy the address. I'll go back. Paste it here. Paste. Continue. Okay, let me use this. Sorry, I need to pause the video. I think I don't even need to pause the video, since my card details is actually not showing fully. I want everyone to see it, everything in full. So let's just try it. I don't know if it will work. Yeah, I don't really know if it will work, but I just hope it works. I want you guys to see that I'm not just doing it for the hype or something. No, it is very, very real. Let's go. I hope it works. If it works, oh my god, we are making money. Seriously, serious money. If you can hit that 300,000 limit, the OTP just dropped 276122. Those screenshots you see there, the profit is around 1.8 million naira profit. Imagine, just get like 5 cards, 1.8 in 5 places. My brother, one's life will change. Oh, let's go. I hope it works. My card has been failing actually, so I'm not putting much hope on it. So, but if you have someone with new accounts, urge them to do it immediately. They should try it. It's actually working for those who have new accounts. So you can see it failed. So let me try the second card. This card is 993. I hope it works. I don't know if it will work. I'm just giving it a try. So the OTP is on another phone. It's 342814. But if you're seeing, the moment you see this video, just go try yours. You might be lucky. I might not be lucky, but you might be. So please do it. When you have it, please, if you're able to do a successful transaction, please drop a comment in the comment section for others to see, to know that yes, this thing is real. I want people to know that it's real. You can see this one failed as well. So this card, you can see this card, this one actually, oh shit, this one is not funded. This account is not funded though. So, but I don't want to waste much time here. I want everyone to see it, even though mine doesn't work. You that you are watching, I want yours to work. Please, once it works, just drop it in the video section. Just follow the instruction I did on using ZAF to BUSD or ZAF to USDT. So whichever one you use, make sure you use the exact address. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be dropping this video right away. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, turn on notification, and also share with others. Don't be stingy with this update. We know it might not last, fine, but let everybody, whoever has the opportunity and his own works, please just share to them. Once they get it, it's a win-win something to me. Even though I don't get, if others should get, I'm very, very okay with that. So thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video. I'll be dropping more updates on other cards that start working. You get to hear from me. Just turn on notification. You get tired of making money with me. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.